do it.
We'll take this side. I want to work on my foot surface here. I'm a beginner. Why don't I do that every time? Alright. Yeah. One up. Yeah. Again!
Go on. Hey, that's my goal. Block touches mine. Anything off the block, anything near me is mine.
I will call you off if I am there. You have it other than that.
Great play, buddy.
Great set, I need to turn it in. 2 up. Come on.
Here. Over. Here. Here. Yeah. Right. No!
Hey.
Ah!
Guys, good rallies. Fuck. Oh, God, it's not big 60. Hey, something falls off.
Ooh. Great. Buddy.
This is like volleyball. I'm warm.
What to?
Wow, he was. Up. Yeah. One back. Holy shit, this high line block is insane.
No, that's offensive.
I know, but still. There you go, higher. Nice higher. Where's the one? I don't know. Yeah. I think yeah. Just keep me tight on those. I'll try and give you enough air so you can. No, it's totally tight. I know. 3-1. So. Got it.
Clearly, I'm sorry.
Great block. Is it 4-2? 42. Yeah. Stop the measures. 4-2. One.
Yeah.
There we go. Little push. Yeah.
Fuck.
Ah!
Straight up on that. I need to turn. Good call.
On me, pushing, whatever.
We'll get there. No, that was better. I had space to.
Go that side.
Yeah. 5-2.
3-5. Show me. On back for Biz. Okay.
Block you.
And then all still stand.
I like that. This is and hang. 6-3.
Let me show you back line. Yep. Up and down. Yeah.
Here.
Great shot, Chris.
Thanks. Jump high enough that you couldn't.
Fuck.
Great shot. That's nasty. 6-5 or 6?
Block.
Hey! Coming! Press. Ball. Awesome. Logan Weber could never.
There's.
Shit. Sixes.
Hey, let's go.
That's how you score points without having to run up.
Hey, good one. 7. Yeah. 7 off.
Come on, come on.
Get it! Watch it. Grab it. Good touch!
That's why I thought.
I know, it probably was, but it's fine.
They might come back. What an up. Falling out.
Okay. On top?
Throw it on my bed.
Okay.
Hey, bless that sound.
Reload it. Keep some. Switch.
Quiet. What a shitty pass. That's her, man.
It's close. I don't know. It's, I have a bad angle.
That's pretty good.
Because I was a lazy bum, but it came left. No?
Who knows about mine?
I was a really good pass. It was I just controlled it. I never was able to set it here. Hey.
Mike. Fuck!
Great ball. Not that one.
Almost had trouble. Okay, buddy.
I love a nasty voice and shit.
Oh, wait. Let's go. This. And this.
Up and down.
Go, go, go.
Go high until I can sideline it to him. Is that 9-1?
Yeah.
Yeah. 9-1. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be lucky. I might. Come on up. Look at that.
Okay, one back. Yeah. 2-9.
Short. Go, cut. Go, go.
Hey!
Great pass.
3-9. Yeah.
Short.
Back. Line.
Out. Nice, man.
Yeah, he got it. Nice swing, Dave. Tag the outside edge. Yep. Hold on. Yep.
Got it. Back.
Take it.
Cut!
Same thing, Moses. Like, same thing. That's fine.
Where are we at?
One step up.
1-4.
Call. In it.
One.
Here.
Let it go. Deep line! Oh, yes. That's better.
I think you're probably your high one.
Great.
You just step in.
Great
This
control
angle.
on that. Yeah. There's no one on that extra shot. 2-4.
One.
Yes, buddy.
Look, see, you don't have to block all of them. You can control them and give you a set. That's so nice.
Thanks, Jake.
Look at Jake's buddy. He saw a video of it once. Oh, I should do that.
Big one, buddy.
Fourth.
I like it, Rich. Don't let him have that.
My first miss. That's what I said I wanted to miss.
Okay, I'm back. Show me info. Yeah, I'm back.
I'll put that on.
Fine. How's that sound?
I'm definitely not jumping this high right now. Because you need to keep the ball in front of me.
It's a big ball, dude.
That's fine.
Yeah, I like it. 5.
Fine.
Again!
Go, 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 go.
Miss! And look, you're ready to set that one too.
I was. Did you see me land?
Yeah.
Nice and balanced.
I was ready to come in. That day.
One time, Leo, I'm gonna hand hit it. You get right on
You
me.
missed. I run a blue or something like that.
Woo! That's cool.
It's just like a 3 like that.
Let's go. Big set, Charlie. Big salt.
That's money.
Great
You
set.
kept it inside of you.
Yeah.
Great wrap.
What? You're not gonna dig that.
That's not what I.
It's not what anyone's supposed to do anything about.
No, it was
Yeah. What is it?
I played for trying to get first. 7-6.
7-6. What do you have, Chris? Sure. Back. Keep it. That's the target. Don't.
I just stay one. How flat it was. Or maybe 8 times.
Yeah. Got it.
One.
Let's battle now. There's one weird thing. We'll help you jump 6 inch on my doctor's
8, 7.
I'm fine with that being the rule.
break. Is that good set wise or too high? Okay. Good for it. Line.
You get one or the other, not both.
I only have like 3 balls.
Okay.
Charlie's not you. What is it?
Did you say I can dang you but not bid?
No, you can
Trick one of us,
trick me.
but not both.
I call line. What is it? 9-7? 9-8. Yeah, boss.
Okay. Okay, I'm back.
I got Mike.
Okay.
I'm gonna take more for it. We are gonna 1 step.
In short. Swing.
Come on, come on. Ah!
On that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
Fuck.
Oh. Big grip, dude. These are shuffling drills with my hands up.
Watch over. Hey, fuck. Go there.
You're not hitting us like hard or jumping as high as normal, but you're doing a great jump.
Zero search.
Either of us should never be out of play. So we're like,
One.
you want, this?
Yeah,
What about back here?
yeah. 1-0.
Here.
Up and down.
Watch out.
Ah! Stop it. My bad.
Turn away. Great day, though. Let's go.
Jump into it.
Hey, my line, yeah. Which one? Sorry. Okay.
Great set, man.
What a shot, Mueller. Back.
I saw him hit no. I kind of feel blind, but I just took a seat because he's like this small.
Maybe. Yeah, I think it's just go out more. That's good.
3-2. There. There. Yeah. 3-2.
Come on, come on, come on.
Threes or fours? Threes.
Great set, dude. Yeah, okay. That's fine.
That was a
4-3.
wait a minute. There. There. Back. 4-3.
Run. Might be Charlie. Next hand.
Yeah.
What?
Yep.
What was the score?
25-23.
25.